Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can add the Vidiq extension to YouTube. So basically you can just click here on extensions or type in web store. Here you click on the Chrome web store, search up Vidiq, and the first thing that comes up should be Vidiq Vision for YouTube. Uncover the secrets to success behind your favorite YouTube videos. And it should have a lot of reviews. And you just click here and click add to Chrome. Here click add extension, and here you can sign up with Google. I'm just gonna go select my account. Installation was a success, and we are directing you back to YouTube. It should lead you to the next step after installing Vidiq. And as you can see on your right, you should have the extension telling you basically everything about the video. And that's basically it. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and thank you for watching.